Welcome back, guys, and thanks for tuning in today. We're going to be talking about dark circles and how to get rid of them with and without makeup. Because it's really easy to cover dark circles with makeup, but how do you reduce the look of them without it? That's what today's video is going to be all about. So if you guys want to see more videos like this one, make sure you join the Chew Tips family by hitting the subscribe button and giving this video a thumbs up so I know to make more. Alright, let's get started.
First up, Ice Baby. One of the best ways to reduce puffiness is using ice. Grab some ice and stick it in a Ziploc bag and gently place the ice on the under eye area, a few seconds each time. Next up, cucumber slices. These guys bring down the water retention in the eyes and reduce swelling and puffiness. Here's a tip, make sure your cucumbers are cold when you place them on and cut them into half-moon pieces. Eye masks are also amazing for dark circles. This Kosei pack I got from Japan is one of the best-selling eye masks, so I had to buy it. It's filled with hyaluronic acid and collagen, so it's perfect for dark circles. Also, if you have little dry patches or fine lines in this area, a moisturizing eye mask will do wonders. I let this sit for a few minutes and then remove and then pat it in. For dark circles, I always find that moisturizing the area is the first step to making it look better. So my go-to for this is the Biotherm Liquid Glow Skin Best. I use about 2 drops and warm it up in my fingers and then apply it. The next tip is probably one of the best ones for dark circles. I absolutely love using my Origins Ginseng Refreshing Eye Cream. It's not just any ordinary eye cream, it's actually formulated with natural optic brighteners, aka little specks of shimmer to instantly brighten the eyes. Following this, I'll be applying the Ginseng SPF 40 to help protect the area from sun damage. I also love using this all over the face for a tinted moisturizer. To apply, I warm it up on the back of my hand and then start applying in small sections on the under eye area. So this is what my skincare prep would be for dark circles. I try to do this at least 2 to 3 times a week to keep puffy and tired eyes away. Now, applying on makeup to reduce the look of dark circles works in an instant, but if you want long-term results where you don't need as much makeup, start with the skin first. But of course, for those days where I might need some extra coverage, I'll use my Maybelline 24-Hour Foundation to cover any dark areas. And now we're done.
Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this video on how to get rid of dark circles. It's really easy to cover it with makeup, but I like to do the pre-skincare stuff to really help it last all day long, especially if you're going to be putting makeup on afterwards. If you guys want to see more videos like this one, make sure you hit the subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and also hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on anything new. I love you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all very soon in my next one. Bye for now.